Good morning! So it's day 4 here in Palawan. So time check, it's, oh my god. Ayan, it's 3:59 a.m. So we'll be going to El Nido. So ayan. Ang mga sinisipon na mga bakala.
Rugby boy.
Rugby boys. So yun lang. See you later. Bye. Welcome. Maulan na El Nido. Yes! Love it. It's been raining in El Nido. Hindi ka ba nilalamig? It's been raining. It's been raining cats and dogs. Yeah. Amen. So good luck to us. Sarang pakita si Ariel. Ariel! Tsaka si Nemo. Nemo! Si Gerald Napoles nga pala ng El Nido.
Nag-guess ko siya.
Oh, really?
Gusto nyo na matapos lang.
Ayop ka! Ayop!
Uy, sa kaliwa.
Ito na nga!
So, bato tong tinutumbok mo. Sa kaliwa, malapit na yung bato.
Patag ako sa kaliwa. Uy, paano?
Huwag ka sumagwan ako na.
Huwag ka sumagwan. Ay, ang dami pala.
Ayan.
Wow! Perfect! Love it! Imagine mo kung peak season pa, mas maraming tao. Yeah, okay na to. Wow.
O, diretso na itong Tatsuy. Siguro magagawa mo na.
Ay!
Ang hirap yan. Uy, bato na naman na tinutumbok mo, Choy.
Welcome to our backyard.
This is our backyard. Yeah. Welcome. What?
Unang nakaisip dumaan.
Ano nga yung kay Moana? Alin? Sabi mo nga. Where it goes. So it's day 5 in Palawan. So time check, 10:10 in the morning. Kain kaming breakfast, brunch, brunch. And it's a lazy day. Lazy day ba ngayon? O pag-isipan namin kung pupunta pa kami waterfalls. Pero let's see. Yun lang. Bye! Hello guys! Ay, nako, menyog na na. Kaya nga, nasasampagin ka na eh. Mukhang sasampagahin ka na, mainit na ulo eh.
We're down to our last night here in Fort Barton. And we're going to have our last dinner
Together
together.
for this year,
So dapat
pasabog.
pasabog ng dinner bonnet. Dinner bonnet. Ang kita na reference. Ang tito talaga. Dinner bonnet. Ayun lang.
Lang. Are you happy? But the body is? Ayan, so tapos na. O, diba? Gusto niyan. So let's call it a night. See you, Manila, tomorrow.
Nice.
Thank you, Borgs.
We love you.
We love you. Thank you. Did we make your heart happy?
Yes.
Oh, wow! How happy? But the body is? Yan lang. Good night. Hello guys. Good morning. So time check. It's 8:06. So it's our 6th day here in Palawan, and we're going back to Puerto Princesa, and then back to Manila. So take away, Chuy.
Always travel to be a kid again.
Correct. Barbs. Take away. Take away.
Don't travel in your 40s. In your 20s.
Sabi nga, don't travel in your 40s, do it in your 20s. Parang oo nga, ganun ano. Ang takeaway ko, well, spend more time with people who makes you happy and laugh and love life again. Yun lang. Love you, Babs. Ay! Love you. See you in Manila. Love you. Thank you. See you in Manila. You stay there for a week. I love you, Babs. Love you. Sa pa nga. 5 years in the making. Love you. Kaya nga picture tayo.
Halika na.
Borgs, picture!